Yo, welcome back AMZ Shifu family. Today I'm going to share with you one of the most powerful things you can do to yourself if you want to turn your life to the new chapter. And I call it the manifestation method. And you may or may have not heard about manifestation, but by definition, manifestation is the word that you're talking to yourself, the life, the dream that you have always imagined. If every day that you are attracting it, every day that you feel like you already have it and you're working toward to get it become a reality, everything that you ever dream about will become a reality. And today video I'm going to share with you why manifestation has helped my students surpass $1 million in business evaluation. And I'm going to include a receipt so that I can give you as full transparency as possible, right? Before I go into the detail, I want to share with you why I have my setup on the left, which is the illustration, on the right, which is the paragraph that I have wrote down on my post. So that just in case if I go too fast or the way that I pronounce the word that you couldn't understand, just feel free to read it, so you would know it's on this side. So in early 2022, I told my mentee to write himself a check of $1 million for the Amazon business, which is he was to start on selling on Amazon. I told him to write himself a check, frame it, and put it on his desk so that he can see it every time that he gets to work on his Amazon business. And the purpose for that is the check visually will remind him of his goal. And every single day as you manifest that check, you see that check and you know for sure that you're going to make it happen, and you manifest it and you put in the work, eventually it become a reality. Fast forward now, his Amazon FBA business actually estimated to be worth at least $1 million if he decided to sell it. And you may wonder, how can I come up with that number? So the way that I come up with that number is I look into Empire Flipper. So if you don't know what Empire Flipper is, it is a website or a marketplace that I founded in 2011. It is a marketplace that you can sell most of your Amazon or e-commerce business. If you want to look into the LinkedIn, let me give you the profile right here. So they founded in 2011. They are one of the INC 500 company and the #1 curated marketplace for buying and selling established and profitable online business. So every single business that to be listed on their website, they make sure that they're going to look into that business books to do their due diligence to ensure that business actually worth that money, because this Empire Flipper being the #1 for marketplace buying and selling, so they're not going to ruin their reputation by bring a random business up and let that business decide how much that business worth, right? If you would understand that part. So to be listed on this website, you would need to submit books of business, also record, tax return, and etc. to be evaluated and to be listed on the website. So as you know, this website is reliable. So in case if you are not sure about my transparency, just feel free to go to LinkedIn or go to that website and you would know. And for me, I offering to you my honesty and my transparency, because I feel like it is something that it being lack of on today's world, especially on the online space. So let's go back here. I just want to share with you that it's crazy to think that the images and the things that you talk to yourself, the environment that you surround yourself with, and the word that you speak to yourself daily can really shape your reality. All right? That's why it's so important not to speak to yourself that you are not capable, ugly, dumb, unable to do this or that. And it is not your fault to put yourself down verbally that way. But it is just the current environment that you're in, the people around you that are telling you that, hey, you're not this or you're not that, you're not capable, you are out of shape, you're ugly. No, We are the byproduct of everyday improvement. And if you keep letting those people telling you that, eventually you're going to be shaped into the way they think you are, you know? So it is important to surround yourself with the right people, surround yourself with the right environment, and you must break it. You must break the environment that is always filled with negativity and ghostship. You must break that group of friends who's always telling you that it's impossible to start your own business, your own journey. It's impossible for you to work on yourself, love yourself more, and etc. You must finding love within. You must start to give yourself the permission to love yourself more. You must start to give yourself the ability to tell yourself that I am who I am, and I am becoming better every single day. Okay? You remember, you are loved, you're capable, you're strong, and nothing can beat you down unless you let yourself down. Okay? So if you're reading this, I am encouraging you to manifest the life, the wealth, the look, and the health. That perfect partner and any amazing things you could name to yourself, because you deserve it. So if you are listening to this, I want you to do this action item, all right? I want you to get a notebook. I want you to start writing down the things that you want to have in your life. I also want you to go to the website, whatever, search for that perfect dream car, that perfect vacation home that you want, that perfect family that you always want, your own business, and also retiring your parents. Maybe print out a picture of your family gathering when everyone smiles, and imagine you are able to give them that trip. You're able to give them the experience that they never experienced before. And you are able and capable to live life on your own term financially. And I want you to write down everything, okay? And once you write down everything, I want you to start print those items that you have found on the internet, the images, the picture, and also the notes that you write down. Put everything into a frame. Also, I want you to write a check for yourself, for your future self. You may not know what kind of business you're working on, but just write that check. Things gonna come together, okay? So once you write the things that you want in your life, after you print out all the images, the picture of the dream life that you want for yourself and for your family, I want you to put it everywhere in your house. I want you to become obsessed with it. Obsessed looking at it every single day. So whenever you feel down, whenever you feel lazy, you will look at all the dream and the goal that you have, and you become more motivated to get back on track again. Okay? I want you to work relentlessly for the next 6 months. I want you to turn your dream into reality. And now, after you follow all the action items, I want you to put a date on it, because your dream ain't dream no more. It has a date and plans. And now your dream with date and plans become your goal. And the only thing that separates you from your goal right now is just time. Okay? And the right people that are willing to believe in you, investing in you. And if you don't have that person, be that person. Okay? Be that person who believing in you as much as you are and investing into yourself. If no one else believing in myself, I would be that one person, and one person is enough. Okay? Remember, your broken time has come to an end. And make sure you gotta make room for that baller you, that wealthier you, that happier you, and the best of you is coming to life. To the top we go, baby.